There's an update on the paulownia. Trunk is getting really big. Very impressive. Grew 21 foot in the growing season. Insane. And you can see how big the actual bottom is, but the actual trunk should be about that big by next year. They double every year almost, or it grows that much, that big every year. So I don't know if it doubles, but it gets about that big every year. But absolutely insane plant. It hasn't branched. This is more of a logging type paulownia hybrid. But overall, it's just a really cool plant.